Hello everyone, welcome to the Unplanned Way. Today we will be taking you along to the IKEA City store in Mumbai located at the Utopia City in Worli area. IKEA is the world's leading Swedish home furnishings retailer. They have ample parking space and the cost for 4-wheeler parking is 150 rupees. Okay, now let's enter the store. Here they have mentioned the floors and what items are available at each floor to make it easy for shoppers. This IKEA store has a city-specific format and is more accessible by being at the heart of Mumbai. It has everything from furniture and textiles to crockery. You will get all range of products like these tools are just for Rs 299. Moving on to the first floor. Look at these beautiful bedroom sets. This one here is a kid's bedroom setup. I love their color combinations and the overall setup, it's so pretty. They also have a lot of variety of bed sheets. Next up on the first floor is the bathroom accessories section. You will get to see a huge collection of towels, bathrobes and bath mats. We have also covered the IKEA Navi Mumbai store. You can check out that video by clicking the link in the description box. At IKEA, they also offer help with planning, delivery and installation services. All around the store, you will see many complete setup options for living room, bedroom, kitchen units and bathrooms. This is for you to get an idea of how you can arrange an entire space by using IKEA products. They also had a classic collection of mirrors. Next, we came across the kids section. We then went to the second floor, which has mainly kitchen accessories. You will get everything from coffee mugs, dinner sets, mixing and serving bowls and even huge glass collection. No doubt their crockery section is extremely pretty. You will get budget-friendly items as well as expensive ones here. They have a big collection of knives. Although we haven't tried one yet, but I have heard good reviews about it. Do let me know in the comments below if you have used IKEA knives before. I would love to hear your thoughts. They also had a sofa section, but comparatively smaller than Utopia Navi Mumbai one. This is the curtain section. How gorgeous are the colors! You can shop IKEA online if you're not a fan of standing in the queue for billing. This IKEA store is smaller compared to the Navi Mumbai one, but it's still quite big. You will be hungry by the time you're done touring all the 3 floors. Thankfully, they have a cafeteria on the ground floor right opposite to the billing section. Their cafeteria sitting space is a little compact and you might have to wait for a few minutes to get a seat on busy days. Once you place your order, you will get a token number which they will call out once your order is ready to pick up. Don't forget to try their traditional meatballs. We ordered a slice of pizza, veggie balls, potato wedges, 1 veggie wrap and a cheese sandwich. Their wraps and sandwiches are cold ones. For desserts, we had mango cake, and in beverages, we ordered 1 hot coffee and a cold drink. Their beverages come with free refills. They also have a few products on sale like the dill sauce, some ginger cookies and also a few frozen products. With this, we end our IKEA Worli store video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video soon.